Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch Tesla Model 3 Performance, only ways. Hold the brake, select track mode, reduce region, and set traction control to the calibrated setting immediately. Preheat the battery with spirited driving or short warm-ups, then perform the two-step launch by pressing the accelerator to build torque and releasing the brakes smoothly. Modulate throttle to maintain controlled wheel spin, and always practice in a safe, legal area. Adjust tire pressure, suspension, and power settings to prepare for a proper launch. Lower tire pressure slightly for better traction, confirm battery temperature is in the optimal band, and enable track mode for full power immediately. Verify steering and brake responsiveness, clear the launch area, and disable unnecessary driver assists that can intervene. Start slow and build confidence before attempting full power launches to avoid damage and stay safe. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel right now. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for timing launches, playlists, and hands-free setup that fits well in a car cup holder. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel through those options. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety and legality at every step when launching your car. Inspect brakes, tires, and cooling systems before each session, and allow adequate battery cooldown between hard runs immediately after intense efforts. Use an empty, controlled surface or a sanctioned track, and bring a spotter if possible to monitor surroundings. Track ambient temperature and battery state for consistent performance, and avoid public roads to prevent danger and legal consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.